Hi everyone, it's the 10th of May and the time is 11:54. We've got a red news event coming out on the pound at 12 o'clock London time. You can see this here, there's four announcements going to be made, and there's a good chance of some moves here. So I'm going to try and catch how we do these news trades, how we take these news trades at the Price Action Traders Institute. I don't think I've had a video on these yet, so I'd really like to be able to catch a video of how we take these news trades and how we manage them. So I'll pause for now. A few minutes left. What are we at the moment? 55. So we've got 5 minutes before the news actually gets released, and I'll come back and show you what's happening if anything happens. Of course, if there's no movement at all, I won't be taking any trades. But if we see some movement, and it's not too spiky, not too crazy, then I'll be getting in on some trades, and I'll hopefully catch them on this video. Okay, so I'll be back soon. Okay, the pound red news has been released. Not a lot going on at the moment across the three pairs that I'm watching. That's the pound US dollar, pound Japanese yen, and the euro pound. So we can see there's not a great deal happening at the moment, but I'll be sitting watching these for a little while longer just to see if there's any trades to be taken. Okay, I'll pause again and be back soon. Seeing some movement now, and I've taken three trades. I've taken the pound US dollar, as you can see, pound Japanese yen, looks like the pound's getting weak, and the euro pound. I've taken all three trades, and so I'll just be sitting here now managing these, watching these, and hopefully pushing up my stops if they keep moving. Okay, I'll be back shortly. I'm going to pause again and I'll be back very soon. Okay, back again. You can see these have started to move, and so now we've got this movement showing profit. I'm locking in break even on the GU. You can see that there. Locked in break even on the GJ, pound Japanese yen, and on the EG I've locked in break even. So whatever happens with these now, I'm not going to lose anything. Hopefully these will keep moving and I can keep moving my profit, my price stops down. Okay, I'll be back shortly. I'm going to pause for a moment and I'll be back very soon. Okay, we saw that pound dropping even further, and so I've moved my price stops now. I've locked in 10 pips on the pound US dollar, locked in 12 pips on the GJ. Reason for that is I'm on a 1-to-1 risk to reward. You can see that I've got a 12 pip stop on the, well, I had a 12 pip stop on the GJ. I've locked in 12 pip profit on that now. The GU, 10 pip stop loss on that, so I've locked in 10 pips on that, giving me a 1-to-1 risk to reward. And the EG, I've only locked in 2 pips on that, just break even. That's not moving quite so strong. So anyway, whatever happens with this now, if it comes back, I'll be taking profit on these three trades. So I'll pause again and come back and let you know what the outcome is. Okay, back with you again. Price on that pound actually started pulling back on that pound news event. It's taken off again now, but my price stops were hit on all three trades. So pound US dollar, I took 10 pips on that. I'd locked in 10 pips and took that. Pound Japanese yen, I took 12 pips on that. Price sucked back and hit my price stop. And the euro pound, I took 3 pips on that. I thought I had 2 pips locked in. It was 3 pips in fact. So GU 10 pips, GJ 12 pips, EG 3 pips. There's 25 pips on that news trade, and they're still hovering around where they were. I mean, they may take off again. With this trade, it took quite a while to get into it. It was spiking about a little bit. Price wasn't showing any kind of direction at all. So I held off for a while, and it was quite late actually getting into this trade. But sometimes we have to do that on these news trades. Once price showed that it was, it had some kind of direction it was taking, that was when I got in. And like I say, I pulled up my price stops pretty aggressively. So I didn't leave myself any chance of losing on these, and ended up with 25 pips. Thanks very much for looking in. If you'd like to learn more about how we trade at the Price Action Traders Institute, you can go to my website www.uk2asia.com, and all the details are on there. There's a page there showing how you can get involved with the Price Action Traders Institute. And also, if you would subscribe to the video, that way you'll get a heads up as and when I post these videos out. So hit the subscribe button, and you'll get an email letting you know when there's any new videos posted. Okay, thanks very much, and I'll see you soon.